Welcome to my channel, That's a Facts. Today's topic is learning through play. This mechanism is bringing out awesome results, so we thought we should make a video on this topic. Let's start. A new framework for learning through play has been developed to support teachers in the classroom and help guide policy and practice in the early years of schooling. Senior Research Fellow Rachel Parker and Research Fellow Amy Berry, from Australian Council for Educational Research, ACER's Education and Development Research Program, say it has the potential to create a better understanding of learning through play at school and improve the quality of execution. Writing in ACER's Discover, the researchers say learning through play is considered an effective approach in the early years. Without the common language, learning through play at school remains in the good ideas unrealized category of education research. Berry and ACER Research Fellow Kelly Picker have previously discussed some characteristics of playful learning at school. A new framework for learning through play has been developed to support teachers in the classroom and help guide policy and practice in the early years of schooling. If you want to read detailed article on learning through play, check the link in description. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.